everyone, I'm Lina. Today we continue trading on the Quotex platform, and before we start, I recommend you trading by my signals where the profit of transactions is more than 80%. Please come to my Telegram for more details and let's start the trade session. We begin the trade session with a balance of $70. Expiration time will be 1 minute. Parabolic and alligator will be the main indicators. I will use which indicate the direction of the trend, and also an auxiliary CCI indicator showing the overbought or underbought condition of the place. Let's start trading. Here we can open a down trade as we see that the price was overbought. Now, as we can see from the candlestick patterns and the interesting alligator lines, we can observe a change in the trend, and therefore we will close our deal with the benefits. Let's wait for closure. We close our trade, so we move on using the next currency pair so as not to get stuck on one. So here we can open our downtrend as we see that we have formed support and resistance lines where we now have moving average lines on the alligator indicator are unfolding. We open our trade by trend and wait for closure of our trade. So we successfully closed our trade, but we don't stop here and switch our currency pair and use a higher payout percentage. At this stage we can lose our uptrend as we see that we now have an uptrend of the moving line of alligator indicator is sending the trend up in the overbought. For the first time, we have a price based on the support and resistance line of the chart. We expect a candle to rise, that is a green candle. Let's wait for the completion of our deal. So we closed our trade at 0. We will open our downtrend since we now see the price in on overbought state. Our indicators show that the trend is up, but they unstably indicate our growth. Therefore, based on the candlestick patterns that indicated a higher value, we can wait for the green candle to give us, after which we expect the red one. We close our deal. We also go further. Here we can open by a trend reversal since we see that we have now had a downtrend, but the moving average line of the alligator is now in a place. They direct the trend reversal as we now see. Therefore, from the support line, the price at we were touched. So now there will be a reversal, and let's wait for the completion of our deal. So we have successfully completed our trade again. We continue our trade. Here we see that the price is currently underbought. We have a downtrend. Let's open our trade along the trend, as we need to wait for the candlestick to reach the line of our build support, and then in the underbought conditions we will begin the reversal. Now we can confidently open along the trend as the alligator and parabolic indicators indicate to us. Let's wait for the completion of our deal. So we successfully close our trade. Let's open a double trade on the next currency pair. Now we can open our double downtrend as we see how from the forming resistance lines and candlestick patterns, we will start a trend reversal. So let's wait for the completion of our trade. So we completed our deal perfectly. So we used the following currency pairs. Here we can also open a double deal at a trend reversal. We see how our moving average lines of the alligator indicator are now reversing, and the parabolic is now going down from the overbought price. So let's wait now completing of our deal. So fine, we closed our double deal. Let's use the next currency pair. Here we can open 3 deals with you. Since the trend, as we see now, is heading rapidly downtrend, so we open our deals according to the trend indicates into these to us, and the alligator indicator and the parabolic indicator, since the revival of the fact that our price will now reach the support level. Let's now wait for the completion of our deal. So we have successfully closed our transactions according to our strategy. And let's use the next currency pair, and at this we will complete our trading session. Here let's open 4 transactions at once, since we see what we currently have in the levels of the support line as we see the impulse of the wave. Then we have a step down. Now the indicators of the moving average lines of the alligator are on the price, but we were waiting for the red candle to appear and give us a reversal trend, so we will wait for the completion of our deal. We successfully completed our open deals according to our strategy, confidently closing everything with a plus.